check in with people. Blessed love. That man, you know? I know it's today is a Monday morning. Right now, I'll show you. I'll show you where a new development will take place right now. In the morning right now, guys. A new development. So you don't know. We have to say like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. As a video drop, you guys will be notified. So you are going now. I'll give you before, and then now we're going to drop the after. Right? That man, that's how I'm going right now. So I'll give you before, and then we give you the after. I don't know where the right on the entrance of the HQ or so. Nice, beautiful sunshine in the morning so. Stay tuned and watch what I'm going right now, guys. Alright, so we'll take a walk. I will show you exactly what I'm going on. Before, and when you reach to a certain point, I'm going to give you after. Look what I'm going. Yeah, man, so we'll just take a walk right now. You know, show you what I'm going. Nice, beautiful flowers there. Yeah, so this is how I'm going. So behind me, it's a be a sun. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So this is how I'm going, guys. You don't know, we're up on the chair and make the walk, yeah. Show you how I'm going. So we know. So this is how we have to look right now. So how we look right now. So I have to tell you, guys. This is before. So now I'm showing the part here. So we can draw up what I'm going. So you know, see, I want new development to come right here, so. House. So there's a new development. I'll come right here, so. You understand? So I'll show you what take place. Yeah. So I don't know, say. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell as a video drop. The guys will notify. You know your boy got for adventure out here. Over there, you know. Yeah, man, so. You don't know anything, go. I've put in the work. Show the people them what are going. So, stay tuned and watch what are going. Continue the video, you know. Yeah, man, continue the video, you know. You know, say, development that take place and house a build road a cut. Things that happen. Yeah, will show you what are going. Never mind, you guys. So, yeah, man, so. I come out of the yard, you know. Show you what are going. You don't know. We're up on it. When I play a song, you know things that happen and things that take place. Just show you what are going right now. See all the stone dropping on the road. I'm going to take it up right now. Yeah. So you don't know. Yeah, so this is how I go on in the morning, you know. I gotta tell you, say, I get the thing to the road. So this side truck will come take up the debris, you know the thing go. Come on, so I go on. Picture, picture. Ah, yeah. Hold that. The man says tractor work, you know. Showing what I go on in the morning. Yeah man, say you know say what that's so I go dig down. What else I go dig down, you know?
You want to go down? Yeah. David, go down a little bit more the top. Go on. Alright.
Yeah man, so this is how I go on, you know? Yeah man, you know your boy got for adventure, you know. For another development, another backhoe clearing land. I know say road and house. So right now, I'm in the process of making the road to get a house spot. You can put your house. Stay tuned and watch what I go. Remember, you know, like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. As a video drop, you guys will be notified. Yeah man, stay tuned and watch what I go on, guys. Yeah man, if you're in the Manchester area, you know, and you want a house spot to dig down, and you want a truck to remove same time, yeah man, just link up adventure man. We can get everything lined up, everything hooked up, you see me? Yeah man, so while you dig, you're throwing one truck same time and move, so you don't cause no bag of debris and no bag of chaos. And yes me I say, yeah man, so I tell you what I go on, just link up adventure. Once you want a backhoe, or you want a truck to move any debris same time you dig down a house spot, link me. Channel, the number on your channel. Stay tuned and watch what I go on. So all the way you see. Yeah, so this is how I go on. So see here, you don't know. Yeah man, so you'll go dig down. So put your spot. Yeah man, continue the video, you know. We were active today. Active. Machine at work. You know, we love to see house are built, not sure. Love to see when house are built. Love to see development. Love to see community strive and you know and things. So you don't know as you know we still continue the video. So it's all about digging down at the land, the house road and the house spot. So I'm just showing what I go on. And then I'm going to see more progress. Stay tuned and watch what I go on. Chuck a jar material same time if you go dump. I'm going to see what I go on. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. I know your boy got adventure out here now without fear. Yeah man. Nice sunny day today. You have to light fire for. Yeah man, Chuck van come make sure say backhoe tire good. Big up to them general. Same way. Go on a road. Alright, so this is how I go on now guys. Road. Line up. See me? I show you firelight burn down place so Backhoe man can see him do clearly. Show you what I go on. Yeah man. So your land clear. So you can see what I go on. Yeah man. So move them debris here. And then you know see a big house spot time. Stay tuned and watch what I go on. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. As a video drop, you guys will be notified. Yeah man, when you want material man, see that?
Yeah man, I just put up with
one cruise, you know.
Yeah man, put up
yeah,
with contact and everything on it.
Yeah man, we can do that man. Backhoe and chuck, remove same time.
And bread man I eat on the side.
You say bread on the side. What you mean?
No man, bread man.
What you mean? Yeah man, Backhoe same time, you know man. Everything, you know. Show you what I go on the side. Remove them debris, yeah. You don't know say. House spot for dig out and thing. Them thing they are going. Stay tuned and watch what I go on guys. Yeah man, we there on the site man. Show you what I go on. New development. More house. More liberty. More life. Big up on yourself. Stay tuned and watch what I go on. See what I go on now? Yeah. With the pan chuck top. How would that? Gavin?
I hit man.
I hit?
Yes,
alright, so we are going to the road pan chuck. Show you what I go on and chucking up here. This is how I go on. Yeah, this is how the thing look. You know? So we're there. Material I move same time. No joke. No joke. Big up my friend Scrooge. You know? How that? Revolution? Big up my Revolution friend Sparrow, you know. Sparrow say Revolution. Sparrow there. Original Coleman from Somerset, you know. Alright, so you don't know. Look what I go on, you know, guys. Yeah, I'm not tree me off of this, you know. Alright, we reach at this spot. The truck I got tip out. Stay tuned and watch what I go on, guys. Ah, you do some work as you know you go. Don't hold on the cruise. Say, you know, say I want next road this, you know, yeah. Same development again, you know. Yeah. New road, I make same time. Yeah man, we're in a community, you know. I say, me love to see improvements. So, I know me alone. Just to show you what I go on idea. Yeah man. See me? See this is how the thing look. So I dig from the other location, I come right just so. Make a road. The road how far that's inside and go around to our next property over there, so. Yeah. You want to see cow there look and say, boy, I want to mash up my grass. Anyway, so the thing set. See, that is screws there, you know, man. You don't know now, one screw, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, anything for delivering across Jamaica, man, that is screws there, you know. Yeah man, so you know in our communities, you know, I be tell you, see what I go on, right? Yeah, so as I said before, it's a road. I come so go up on a new development cross over this. You get me? Yes, so you see me? So we'll go back on the other location where this stuff here come from. For house. It's a road, but a house spot I build. It's a road and house spot. So, you know, stay tuned and watch what I go. Remember, you know, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. As a video drop, you guys will be notified. Yeah, man. I tell you, say, place nice, weather alright, you know, sunny day. Stay tuned and watch what I go on, guys. Alright, Backhoe go up on location, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, Backhoe go up on location. Busy street grow no grass. Yeah, man, we don't go on, man. Yeah, man, truck I go up on location, guys. So you don't know how the things set in idea, you know. So, show you what I go on. So, you know, so you're back in the lane, you know. Yeah, man, so I'll show you what take place on the site. Yeah, show you what. Road, everything there. Yes, people, remember, we still up on the video, you know. Yeah, man, that's what I say. We show you before. We tell you about new development, you know, road and house. So right now, with no further ado, I'm going to show you what the progress are going on for the house, you know. Stay tuned and watch what I go on. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell as a video drop. You guys will be notified, guys. And you can support Gaff Adventure by a PayPal account. Or you can support Gaff by me a coffee. And when we do live, you can drop a super chat. And you can also drop super chat on videos. If you go on the channel and see a video you want or you like, you can drop a super chat on the video same way. Stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah, man, so this is how I go on right now, guys. Leading up today. Yeah, man, you see the road. Yeah, so we have to take a look now. So this is how I go on now. Yeah, man, road cut. You know. Backhoe dig down land. So we just show the progress of what I go on the house, you know. Man at work. Yeah, man, so this is how I go on. Yeah. Shed bill. Material there. Everything ready, man. Yeah, man. No joke. This is how I go on. Some man there saw creep off us, stuff that way. Dropping in the way with the material. Drop, you know? Yeah, this is how I go on. Big up yourself. Old timer. What you say? You go on do some work in the idea?
Yeah, man.
What you mean? House of a bill.
That's true.
People want to live places and places.
You see?
Alright, earlier do some work. So you don't know. Backhoe come and just dig off with them hammer. Take up if you take up with them thing. Yeah. So this is how I go on. Right now. So generally my line out. If you dig out the excavation or the footing. Yeah.
Alright, that's
Yeah, man, see the all pick dig already and ready for pack. This is no joke. People them want a house now. See them black drum there, 1,500 gallon. Yeah, man, so as you see them board there, you know, say a line out time. I mean that tell you before. Yeah, footing, I go dig out. Where I go part up. So my line up to start. Then partition. And you know what I mean to say elder, I go and take out them stuff there, dig out the footing right there, so. You know. And everything there up on site already, you know, guys. I just footing a hole and everything. Yeah man, steel and everything is here. If you look across over there, so steel stiffener. Some say column, it was stiffener, ready up. Everything ready up, you know. So we'll just there. Yeah man, the boy have adventure there on the side. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. And I will see more things. I'll show you from where it start to where it reach. In time I reach I want part. When I want part, we show everything what I go on. Stay tuned and watch what I go on.